welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys a couple of things that help me stay motivated to go to the gym, and hopefully these things can also help you to get your butt to the gym for 2020. So my first thing to stay motivated is getting a calendar. So what I do is I get a calendar, and as I go to the gym, I go ahead and fill that day in. So what I like to do is have a visual, so I'll go ahead and glance on my calendar, and it helps me kind of stay motivated, know if I've been slacking, if I've been doing really good. So as you can see, the first week of December, I only went to the gym 3 days. And then like the second week, I was really slacking. I only went to the gym on a Monday and Friday. So that kind of just helps me by looking at it, and then it's like, oh shoot, I've been slacking. I need to set my game up. So the third week, I went to the gym 4 times, and then this last week, I went to the gym 5 times. So even though sometimes you do go to the gym, other times you don't, to me, it just helps me stay motivated because I can glance at it. I know if I've been going to the gym, if not, and then it's a really good reference, so you can always reference back to the last month and see how many times you went to the gym. So I got this calendar at Walmart. I believe it's like $4. I will be getting a new one. I got one from Target. So this is the one I got from Target. It's pretty simple. It was $1. It's usually in the dollar section, but what I don't like about it is that once the page just comes off and then you have to kind of throw it away. So this one, what I like is that you can always reference back to the other months before. So I have November, and then I have December. You can reference back to how many times I worked out February, and then you can see March. Again, the weeks that I did really good, and then the week that I was kind of slacking. So to me, it's really good because I can always reference back to my calendar and see if I've been working, if I've been working out, if I haven't. Second thing that helps me stay motivated sometimes is setting a goal for yourself. So don't set anything that's not realistic. So don't go off, if you don't really work out, don't start off the year by saying, I'm going to go to the gym 5 times a week. I'm not saying it's not possible. It really is possible, but set a goal that's more realistic. So if you don't go to the gym, so just start by saying, okay, I'm going to start by going 2 times a week, 3 times a week, or I'm going to start by going on 20-minute walks. So set a goal that's realistic for you. Third thing is plan your workouts. So I personally don't plan my workouts, but I know a lot of people will go to the gym and they don't know what to do. So a lot of times planning your workouts, going on YouTube, going on Instagram, there's a lot of free workouts. Just planning your workouts, kind of knowing what you're going to do once you get to the gym can also just help you have a better workout and stay motivated. Fourth thing that helps me stay motivated is track your progress. Tracking your progress is really important because once you see that those workouts are doing something to your body, that's just going to keep pushing you more and more, so you'll continue to go to the gym, you'll continue to be fit. So me, I've been on and off going to the gym for the last couple of months, but 2020, my goal is to go to the gym like I used to. So I weigh about the same that I used to weigh when I used to be going to the gym 4 or 5 times a week. But looking back is now I have more fat versus when I had more muscle. So I weigh exactly the same. So if I was just weighing myself, I'd be like, oh, I'm exactly the same, which I'm definitely not the same. I used to have more muscle then versus now. So progress pictures are a great way to stay motivated. Take a picture at the beginning of the month, take a picture at the end of the month, and you might be seeing results even though if you weigh yourself, that scale number might be the same. So basically just take progress picture. Another thing that could help you is just invest in yourself. So you don't have to go to the gym, get a membership. Some people aren't comfortable with working out at the gym, and that's fine. So what I recommend and what I do sometimes is just work out at home. So I got these weights a couple years ago. They were about $10. I got them at Walmart, and if you don't feel like working out at the gym, or if you don't want to go to the gym, just do a workout at home. Like I said, there's YouTube videos, there is Instagram videos that you can always do at home, so you can do that. I also have this band for leg day that you can do at home. I'm not a big fan of working out at home. It doesn't really motivate me, but that doesn't mean that you can't work out at home. Might be the best thing in your situation, or you might feel more comfortable working out at home. So the last one is reward yourself. If you set a goal and you reach that goal, reward yourself. If you want to eat I don't know, a muffin, a cupcake, or something. Reward yourself because you did good all week. I'm not saying go crazy, but I'm saying reward yourself. If you set a goal of going to the gym 3 days a week for the entire month and you reach that goal, go buy yourself something nice. That's what I like to do. I like to set these little goals and then I like to reward myself. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. So I hope you guys all stay motivated to go to the gym if that is your goal. To start off this coming year and help you guys stay motivated and encouraged to go to the gym, I will be giving away a pair of the Gymshark Flex Leggings. They are in a size small, so I will be giving these away. In order for you guys to enter the contest, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what helps you stay motivated to go to the gym. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.